Welcome to Next Steps with John. Today I'm going to talk to you about types of rollators. When you first go out to get your new rollator, you might be amazed how many different types there are to choose from. Each one is different to fit each individual's needs. We can help you figure out which one is best for your lifestyle by asking questions to help you narrow down your options. But here are a few features you might want to think about before coming in. The larger wheels are better. It goes over rougher terrain such as thresholds and sidewalk cracks. However, the bigger wheels do add a little more weight to the rollator. Be sure to check out the braking features. Most come with brakes you can squeeze to slow and stop the walker. But sometimes arthritis and other conditions can limit our strength and squeezing the brake becomes a challenge. If that's the case, perhaps check out the push-down brakes. No gripping required. It's important to know how it folds for when you're on the go. Most fold front to back while others fold side to side. The side-to-side version allows the rollator to be freestanding when folded. It also allows you to slightly fold it up when you're trying to get through narrow passages while using it. There are lots of options and features to review for you. We haven't even scratched the surface. Come in to learn more about your next rollator purchase and find out more about the different seats, brake cables, and why we don't trust the three-wheel rollators. You can find out more about these on our website at www.compoundingcenter.com or come into the store. Stay tuned for my next episode, and you can shop online at www.compoundingcenter.com.